Have you ever wondered why there is such an acute rise in allergies in our younger generation? Well, this is because of the hypersensitive immune system that they've developed over ages. Well, as a kid, I used to savor eating dosa with peanut chutney, and as I grew, as I started studying my MBBS or as I started practicing, tend to hear a lot of people being allergic to peanuts. So where is this allergy coming from? Different types of food allergies, different types of allergies to the outside environment, including pollen. Where is this coming from? It's coming from the hypersensitive immune system. Well, as a baby inside the mother's womb, if the mother is exposed to a lot of chemicals, and by chemicals I don't mean the very, very obvious ones, but I only mean the subtle chemicals like the chemicals present in a dishwasher soap or a floor cleaner or even microplastics, they kind of tend to start inflammatory reactions in the babies and make the immune system be hypersensitive about it. So the baby's immune system is kind of very premature, very confused, when it's exposed to a lot of chemicals. So the baby's immune system, when it's exposed to certain chemicals, kinds of gets confused whether it needs to let the chemical stay and consider it as its own or react to it and develop a hypersensitivity reaction. So most of the food allergies or allergies to pollen and etc. comes from this hypersensitive immune system. And kids with hypersensitive immune system kind of fail to differentiate between the foods that are normal and the foods that they are allergic to. So that is why they develop different kinds of allergic reactions and different severities as well. So this is also your reminder to make sure that you go eco-friendly to get pregnant and follow a very sustainable, environmental friendly lifestyle during pregnancy and also in the preconception period.